If you are looking for extra storage without the hassle of construction, but you also want a premium building that's durable, you just know that's gonna last you forever, this video is for you, and I think I have a perfect solution. It's very simple as well, and that's one of the things I like about the building I'm about to show you. And there is a feature inside that I love the most, and again, it's the little things that add the most value for this building. Check this out, guys. This is a 12 by 24 garden shed, and I'm very excited to show it to you because its simplicity makes it very functional and just a great value add for your property. So let me walk you through some of the features that make this shed special and great quality for any homeowner. Generous 6'4" sidewalls and 5'12" roof pitch. And as you can see, this one has double doors here on the side, and it's got those double doors in the front of the building too. Right there you can see, right up there you can also see the transom windows, which with these two other windows right here, it adds a lot of lighting in the case that you want to use this for a workshop, a home office, or even whenever you have your lawn equipment and you want to do some repairs, you want to just organize things in there, you just have a ton of lighting coming in naturally. So now that we are inside of the building, I am excited to show you the simple feature that makes this building amazing, and it's the shelves. Again, nothing crazy, but with this amount of space that you have here, the amount of headroom that you got, the opportunities really are endless. And whatever you choose to do with this building, you can't go wrong with this size. I mean, you can fit so many things. You can fit your mowing equipment. You can make this your home office. You can even share it with your spouse if you guys wanted to. One of the things that really stand out is our customers loving the building and how it changes their lifestyle pretty much immediately. You can get this model in our elite version, which we have a video. I'm gonna link this on the top corner, talking about our standard buildings versus our elite sheds. And I think you'll enjoy it if you wanna look at that. We build these sheds with the highest quality materials. It's not only on our name, but our standards are really high, and we want our customers to have the most premium buildings, no matter what type of building they pick from us. So this specific model is priced at $8,680, a significant value considering the materials that we pick to build these sheds. You can also take this home with a rent-to-own program, which is no credit check. We have a cap on that. You can always reach out to get specific details for it. But you can get this building at a monthly price of $322. This particular building is available for immediate delivery, but you can also hop on our inventory page to see other models that you may like. Now, if you don't like the colors on this one, or there are things that you want to change or add onto it, you can also hop on our 3D builder. It's free. It just asks a few questions and you can start designing away. Guys, it was a pleasure showing you this building. If anything, it was more of an excitement for me because this is one of my favorite setups. Just a big building with shelving for organization, for whatever you need to use it. And I'll be showing you other buildings. If you have any suggestions, any questions about the building or any other buildings that you want to see breakdown of, just let me know in the comments. Also, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for awesome content coming out, and I'll see you in the next video.